The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone 11 Pro. The straight talk to the iPhone 11 Pro is not on straight talk. It's available on 64 GB storage. It says available in all storage options for the iPhone 11 Pro. So it's nice. There's a very flat in the back. This one does have 3 cameras on the back. A wide angle camera, ultra wide angle, telephoto camera on the right. So yeah, so the iPhone 11 Pro is 4G LTE Wi-Fi. It has a 5.8-inch OLED Super Retina XDR OLED display. Dimensions: width is 2.81 inches, height is 5.67 inches, and depth is 0.32 inches. There, 18 hours of usage time. Like I said, 64 gig gives you 520 watts. You have a triple 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto cameras. A transformative triple camera system that adds tons of capability without complexity. An unprecedented leap in battery life and mind-blowing shift that doubles down on machine learning and pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Welcome to the first iPhone Firefly No 2.0 Pro. Available in 3 colors. You have with a white, space gray, and gold there. You do have 3 camera options. Full retail price of the iPhone 11 Pro is $999.99. So if you guys have great credit, it's $48.46 a month for 24 months. If you guys are like building credit or whatever, it's $121.85 a month for 15 months. Like I said, it's $999.99 full retail price, and I suggest you guys buy this one for full retail price, alright? So the specs on this iPhone 11 Pro: 2.81 inches width, 5.67 inches height, and 32 inches depth. It has a good battery, 18 hours of talk time, 6.63 ounces, CDMA EVDO-A, Verizon Launch Service with Verizon Towers Online. It says a service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. iPhone purchases are limited to a maximum of 2 per order. And what you guys get in the iPhone box is you send an iPhone subsidized with the iPhone 11 Pro with iOS 13. AirPods with Lightning connected, Lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, and documentation. So it has iOS 13. iOS is the world's most personal and secure mobile operating system. Practical features and the design to protect privacy. Ultra wide and telephoto cameras. The triple camera system in the iPhone 11 Pro adds a telephoto lens for local portraits and the ability to zoom in on distant objects like wildlife and sporting events. A Pro iPhone deserves a massive amount of storage. Get the 512 GB model to keep creating 4K videos and photos without worrying about space. Have fun out there. Up to 18 hours of video playback. iPhone 11 Pro represents a major leap forward, setting a new bar for all their battery life. Fast charging backup included. So it's nice. So there you guys have it, iPhone 11 Pro, now level X straight talk for $999.99 for the 64 GB version. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up down if you know a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.